Most workers' comp cases, the only things that are getting deducted out of that final settlement amount tend to be the attorney's fee and the case costs. And the reason that you don't have to deal with medical cost reimbursement, at least in the majority of cases, is that in a workers' comp case which has been admitted, the work comp insurance carrier is responsible for paying for all of the authorized treatment. So there should not be bills that are outstanding that we're having to pay the way that we do in an auto accident case. The fee is set by our work comp commission regulations. It's a 1/3 fee that applies to whatever that recovery is. Every fee in a work comp case has to be approved by the work comp commission before we can deposit it. So anytime our client comes in and signs off on the disbursement statement, we have to send it to the work comp commission and get their approval before we can deposit the fee. And then case cost. And just as with an auto accident case costs in a workers' comp case can vary widely depending on how complex the case is. In some cases, it may only be a few $100s, but in many cases, we're going to want to schedule independent medical examinations, a vocational assessment by a vocational consultant. Sometimes it can be other experts, such as an ergonomics expert, maybe in a repetitive trauma case. And in that case, you can see the case cost be a few $1,000s. It's unusual to see a workers' comp case that has more than, say, $4,000 or $5,000 of costs. But it's all about doing what we have to do to put our client in the best position to get the best recovery possible. And I always use the old analogy or the old saying that sometimes you have to spend money to make money. But if we don't have a vocational evaluation done and perhaps we don't have independent medical examinations done, that can significantly affect the value of the case. So we're going to do what we think is best to get our client a fair recovery.